It is. It's the back of his switch. There it is. Son of a bitch.
You broke the back of the switch.
Hey, you know what? Kick my ass.
What?
Look. Not funny, man. Asshole.
This is YouTube worthy for sure.
Yeah, right. Breaking parts.
How to fix
That's my job.
76 MG midget watering.
Okay. I think these go underneath and they're still good. I won't have to take part steering wheel at all. You know what? That's enough, man. Come on, dude. What are you doing? Are you going to take a video? Dude. Seriously.
So he's putting you on YouTube.
He's going to put me, yeah, okay. Now get lots of hits. I'm a hit wonder. Wonder who would give a fuck?
Please. You gotta come in through the house, down the basement.
Who's that?
Andy. So he goes around. Look at Andy.
You know, I didn't realize right here talking away.
Yeah, but we haven't seen it
Oh, loud.
in a while. Poor man's garage.
You used the video? Coors.
Coors. Let me get a swig of that beer.
What's the bank?
He did. Let me get a swig of that.
Yeah, I like barely turn that.
The new
What is
interest.
this, a selfie stick?
The new interest.
Yeah, let me see this.
The new interest of the video.
What are you making, home videos?
Home videos.
Get that out my ass!
Tim's being the gay boy right now.
Somebody wants to
Me right now.
Shaked. Oh, dude, that hurts.
Thing got cold air intake on it yet, or what?
Yeah. All new wiring needs to be done.
To do an LS swap.
That titty looking bag is where the water fluid goes for the windshield wiper.
For real?
Yeah. Oh, Andy drinking a beer. He's 26 years old. Let me try that.
I'm 26.
You're not 26? You're 25?
Why are you filming?
Dude, that's really good. Filming my dad. I'm gonna put it on
Ball
YouTube.
tap.
Don't do that. Kill the old man.
Put him on YouTube.
Warm air.